Welcome to another estherioart tutorial. Are you tired of having to draw from a reference photo every time? Well, look no more, because in this video I'm gonna give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can draw from memory. Let's get right into the video. Okay, we're gonna start with drawing a circle. If you find it hard drawing a circle, you can get a circular material to draw your own circle, or if you're able to draw it like I did, good for you. Okay, next guys, we're gonna try drawing a straight line and crossing it over. So like a plus, first draw a horizontal line demarcating at the middle of the circle, then a vertical line dividing that line like so. Then by the side of each circle we're gonna cut out just a little bit. You're not gonna make it too small or too big, a little bit by the side, at the left and the right side of the circle. Okay, next we're gonna do another crossing, joining those two lines we just made, joining them at the bottom and at the top, where it's gonna be like a square shape. Now we're gonna look for the measurement of the jawline. Make sure your jawline has the same measurement as the two boxes above. Now this part by the side is useless to us, so we're just going to erase it. So here we have it. We're going to outline the jaw line, the jaw. Just remember, what we're trying to draw is a male face, so when you're making the jaw, you're not going to make it so smooth. We're going to have a little rough cheekbone, that cheekbone that males always have. So this line by the side, we don't need them, so we're going to erase them and make them cleaner and smoother. Okay, here guys we have it outlined, our eyebrow line, our nose line and our hairline. Now we're going to look for where the eyes should be, just a little bit after the eyebrow line, or if you want a clean measurement, just half of the whole head. Our eyes should be situated at half of the. Now for us to get our eyes, we're going to divide that line into 5 parts. Make it so that it's possible that 5 eyes should sit on the head, where we actually just need 2 from the left side and the right side. So here I'm trying to fix in my eyes. You can actually make the eyes bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it straighter, according to how you want your drawing to look like, how you want your face to look. You know, the eyes sometimes determine the emotion your drawing is expressing. The eyes determine the happy expression, sad expression. So you just draw your eyes according to what kind of expression you want your model, your drawing to show. And don't forget the eyelids. The eyelids. Okay, now we're going for the eyebrow. Just draw your eyebrow on the eyebrow line. We're going to be making his eyebrow a little bit bushy because he's a male. So now outline the part for the nose. I'm going to draw a little circle where the nose base is going to rest on. Now to get the width of your nose, we're going to draw a line from the eyes down. That's where our nose is going to, the width of our nose is going to be. So now we're trying to get the where our mouth is going to sit. We're going to divide from the nose to the jawline. We divide it into two. That's where we get our bottom lip. Then we make another mark just a little bit on top of that mark we just made now. Then draw a line from the middle of the eye down to get the width of our mouth. Then just on top of it, we're going to make the top of our mouth too. Remember, he's a male, so we're not going to make his lips. So now guys, for the ear, our ear is going to rest at the eyebrow line to the nose line. That's going to be the length of our ears. Now we're going for our head. We've seen the hairline, so it has given you a base for where the hair is going to be. Now the neck, we're going to make a neck that's almost the size of the head, so our man can look manly. We're going in for the pupil in the eyes, and here you have it guys, the face of the male. Now you can go further by shading. If you want to know how to shade a face, I'm going to make another video on that. Now remember, like I said, you can make your face have any look you want. You can make him to have an innocent look, a happy look, a frowning look, a mature look. All you just need to do is make a little change in the eyebrow or the eyes or the mouth or the nose. Every little change you make in these 4 areas of the face gives him another expression. So at this point, it's totally up to you to do whatever you want to do with your drawing. And here, notice how I'm making the hair to go a little above the head to give it a more realistic look. And this is what we got guys, a male face drawn directly for memory without any reference whatsoever. If you like what you just heard, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. Bye, I'll see you in my next video.